Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to be notified of the latest videos. I'm Sage for Kalkinemedia. Today we're covering 5 ASX listed stocks with 100% year-to-date returns. The Australian benchmark index ASX 200 has been trading on a positive note this week after remaining volatile in the recent past. The domestic sentiment has received boosts from the strong performance by the US equities, which have hit new records over the past few days. There have been a few ASX listed firms that have given stellar returns to their shareholders despite the challenges posed by the coronavirus pandemic. Here we look at 5 such stocks that have delivered over 100% returns so far this year. SVI Holdings Ltd. The stock of this Singapore-based finance education platform has been in demand recently despite no major announcements. On July 8th, the company released its quarterly report, which showed user numbers of its VI app and had more than doubled over the last 12 months. The company's revenue, unaudited, stands at 7.6 million Singapore dollars in the first quarter of financial year 2022. Cash receipts from customers for the June 2021 quarter was recorded at 8.9 million Singapore dollars. 88 Energy Ltd. This month, the share price of the energy company has witnessed an upturn on account of major triggers, and as per the company update, 88 Energy confirmed the presence of light oil at its Merlin-1 well. In the financial results released for the half-year ending 30th June 2021, the company highlighted promising results and noted plans for the first quarter of financial year 2022. Recently, the shares received a boost after an update on the company's Umiat oil field. Life360 Inc. The healthcare stock mainly gained after the release of the company's half-year results for financial year 21, and Life360 reported a 36% rise in annualised monthly revenue, or AMR, to $105.9 million during the period under review. Global paying circles reported a 19% rise to hit 1 million, and Life360 expects AMR to hit $120 million to $125 million by December 2021. Aussie Broadband Ltd. The telecommunications provider released its results for the 12 months ended 30th June on Monday. During the period, Aussie Broadband increased its customer base by tapping the work-from-home boom during the coronavirus lockdowns. And while revenue surged to 350.3 million Australian dollars, an 84% increase over the previous year, the firm's earnings before interest, tax, depreciation and amortisation, or EBITDA, rocketed as well, 433% to reach 19.1 million Australian dollars. Both revenue and EBITDA were ahead of prospectus forecasts. Lithium Ltd. On the 17th of August, the lithium miner announced that it had issued 293,146,659 fully paid ordinary shares at an issue price of 31 cents per share Australian to institutional and professional investors under the institutional placement announced on 9th August 2021. On 11th August, the company announced successful completion of fully underwritten placement to raise 91 million Australian dollars. It also said that non-underwritten share purchase plan would be offered to eligible investors to raise up to a further 15 million Australian dollars. If you like this information, please like, share, comment on the video below, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. You'll be notified of the latest videos. But for more information and regular updates, head to the website kalkinemedia.com. Sage here for Kalkinemedia.